Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will gonna show you a unique method through which you can make your mathematic notes very efficiently and very effectively in a very simple way. And I will gonna show that it has helped me a lot in my studies in last couple of years, and it has helped me to gain lot of marks in the exams. So I think that method is excellent, and it helped me a lot, and I think it will gonna help you also. So if that is helpful for you, then please consider like, share and subscribing my channel to support me. And let's begin to the video. So first of all, I have to open any kind of Word document. I am using here LibreOffice. So a new Word document I opening. Okay. So now I have to insert three tables to implement that method. So here you can see the table option here. So I will gonna select three tables like that. Okay. Okay. So to implement that method, these are the three columns you need. Then in the first column, you have to write examples. No, sorry, you have to write concepts. And in the second column, you have to write examples. In the third column, you have to write explanation. Explanation. So, so in the first column, you are seeing here. Here you have to put the concept, the basic concept that you want to learn or you have learned, and you might have taken couple of handwritten notes or something like that. It can be kind of diagrams, geometric diagrams, or it can be any kind of equations also, and you can paste any kind of image here. It's up to you that which kind of math you want to do. It doesn't really matter. So you have to put the concept. So I am putting the concept here like addition. Okay. So here in the examples, I have to write any kind of examples like suppose 2 uh, plus 1. So what will the answer? 3. So in the explanation part, I have to explain the steps, which steps are available. It can be multiple steps, it can be one step, or it can be lots of steps. So it's up to the problem that you are solving here. It doesn't really matter which kind of problem is that. So you can paste any kind of you can write any kind of explanation here. It's up to you. You have to write in your own language. It should not be any kind of artificial language that you are putting here. You have to write in your own language. It can be in your mother tongue also. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So I am now writing the in the first step. First step I am writing here like the two, like with uh, two with two I have added one. So answer becomes 1. So it is very simply I have written that. So it can be multiple. So suppose if you have written any kind of examples, like if here you have written any kind of examples that contains multiple steps, then like I have written here in a one, like you can say like right here like now number second step. You can explain the second step here for your um nice explanation part. So So that's it for that method. So this method is very effective, and it is scientifically a researched method also, and it helped me a lot during my studies, and I think it can be helpful for you also. Like so if you found this video helpful, then please consider like, share and subscribing my channel for helping me, so I can make this kind of contents for you. And in my YouTube channel you will get kind of any kind of things like productivity stuff, like life management, education, like how you can be productive through technology, how can manage your whole life through technology very easily, how can we very much productive in every aspects of your life. So this kind of things I will gonna discuss in my YouTube channel. So I will gonna upload one video in every week. So if you are interested in this type of contents, so you can consider like, share and subscribing my channel. So if you found this video useful, then please support me. Okay, so thank you guys.